Well, hello people. Today we have this thing, Boström omenapiiras, which means an apple pie, which reads in there in Swedish. Det är apple pie here. So these are small cupcakes that should taste like apple. So the apple on a tree, you know, a fruit. And well, can you open this for me?
Yes.
And give me one.
Hard package.
Very hard package, but it's only because you're weak.
I use my teeth.
Do not eat it. It's plastic.
No, I'm not eating it. There's one apple pie.
Thank you. So this is an apple pie in Finland. So you can see it's not very, it doesn't look very delicious. You see, it actually looks like an earwax in a cup. So let's try it. It looks like that inside. It tastes like a sponge, the one that you use, the sponge or something like that. It looks like the one that you use to wash yourself, and when it's dirty and very much used, it actually doesn't taste anything like an apple. Horrible, very horrible. Don't try this at home or anywhere else. There's like shit. Damn it. You did it.
Close the borders.